So, welcome again to another episode of Simple Vegan Recipes. And I'm going to do a tofu sandwich. I've already marinated the tofu with liquid Bragg's amino and garlic. I'm going to put this in the oven at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes until it's really crispy and golden. And I'm going to saute some spinach and mushrooms. So, let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so I'm sauteing the mushrooms with the spinach and onions. I've added a little bit of liquid Bragg's amino in there and some garlic to give it a little bit of flavor. I'm going to put this on the sandwich, the tofu sandwich. Okay, folks, so I'm going to be using a multi-grain bread, which is only 20 grams of carbohydrates. I'm going to put the tofu on there with the spinach and the portobello mushrooms, and I'm going to add some hummus on the bread. Okay, folks, so we're all done. So this is a simple tofu sandwich. We have the baked tofu, we have a slice of tomato on there, a little bit of hummus on the bread, and this is the multigrain bread, which is only 20 grams of carbohydrates. We have our spinach, our sauteed spinach, portobello mushrooms, and onions on there. As I always do, encourage you guys to give those simple vegan recipes a try and subscribe to this channel for more simple vegan recipes. And I'll see you next time on Simple Vegan Recipes. Bye for now.